going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to a new video, guys. So today, I don't know if you guys saw by the title, but we actually got a brand new lip for the F30. Really excited to put it on. Suvneer actually went ahead and sent this out to me. So let's go ahead, unbox this real quick and see what we're working with. All right, guys, you guys ready for this? I'm so hyped about this, dude. Like, finally getting a good quality spoiler, bro. I don't even know which one it is. I can't remember which style it is, but I'm sure it's gonna be better than what we had before compared to like no lip. This lip's gonna look sick. So definitely, really excited about this.
Suvneer is high quality too, so
I know. That's what I'm really happy about. Oh, dude, they sent a t-shirt out. You already know. We gotta throw this on.
We might just have to change it to real quick. Be right back, guys. Yeah.
All right, guys. So we just changed into the shirt. We got the Suvneer Motorsport over here, and we also got it on the back. So we are officially ready to install this lip. Let's go ahead and show you guys what we're working with over here. Whew.
Bro, let's see this.
Bro, you already know it's gonna be high quality when it's in this. Yeah. Dude. Like, oh my gosh. Okay, let's go ahead and open this up. It's really nice packaging. Ooh, bro, I can already tell it's gonna be so good.
Is crazy.
Bro, I'm so excited. I'm like literally ripping through it. Bro.
Right? I mean, that's, bro, especially parts like this.
It's a good one, fam.
John, I've never seen you so happy.
Bro, I don't know why. I'm just so excited about this, dude, because like...
Oh my gosh, bro.
It looks so good. Bro, look at this forged carbon, dude. Bro, I'm actually like so hyped for this. Bro, it looks so good.
Bro, this is so clean.
Bro. Dude, the quality, guys. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy with this.
Bro, this is crazy. This is like, it's so neat.
Bro,
like, it's like absolutely flawless.
It looks so good. Bro, I'm so scared to ruin it.
Bro. You look, you gotta set it down on the
like right in front of it?
Yeah.
Oh my lord, bro.
Oh my gosh, this is gonna be nuts.
It looks so good, bro. Hold on, I gotta take a picture. Bro. I'm actually so hyped, dude.
I've never seen you so happy.
Bro, it looks so good. This looks absolutely insane. I'm so excited to go ahead and put this on. I think first, let's go ahead and jack up the car, and then we'll go ahead and put some 3M tape. Looks like we're gonna have to screw it in. So hyped, bro.
Yeah.
All right, let's go ahead and see what this looks like, guys. Like actually on it. This is like my favorite style too.
Bro, this is crazy.
Oh, this looks so good, dude. Oh my god, now I wish I had my Apexes on, bro.
This would change. Bro, this looks so good.
Oh my gosh. Okay, so let's see how it fits. Okay, so it fits pretty good. It's hard to...
The fitment, yeah, I probably need to help you like hold it a little bit. Huh?
Oh, like that. There, I'm holding it. What do you think?
Bro, I think the fitment literally is perfect.
It's literally
like, look
perfect.
at it by the, if you look at it by these seams right here.
Bro, it literally looks so good. Oh my gosh, dude. I'm literally so hyped for this, bro. I'm like, this is like my favorite mod, dude. It looks so good, especially with this new paint.
Yeah. Bro, the car's been in such a transformation, bro.
Dude, it's changed so much, guys. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's go ahead, put some 3M tape real quick, and then actually put it on, and then screw it into the bumper. It actually looks so good, dude. It actually looks so good. Oh my gosh, I'm literally so hyped for this, guys. Like,
guys, the comments better be in quotation marks.
Fire.
It actually looks so good.
It actually looks so good. If you guys don't comment, it actually looks so good, I'm gonna be a little disappointed, I'm not gonna lie, guys, because this actually looks so good.
Cool.
Bro.
First row double tape is on.
Alrighty. We should probably put some more right here, and then like another set right over here. What do you think?
Yeah, I guess some along the backside. Yeah.
Bro, this is like literally. I've seen a lot of lips, guys, and honestly, in person, they look all right, but this one honestly looks so good. I've never seen one this good. Like, that's why I'm so hyped about it, because I literally opened it. I was like, bro, this is seriously so fire.
You can tell it's high quality.
You can definitely tell.
Fitment looks on point too, so I'm excited about that one for sure.
Literally perfect, bro. And honestly, I think we're ready to like
Install it?
Install it,
I think
dude.
we are, yeah.
We're gonna go ahead and set you guys up on a time lapse real quick because Nick's gonna help me with this part because it's just gonna make it easier. So we're gonna go ahead and set you guys up for like quick little time lapse and we'll cut back to you guys once we're actually installing it. Guys, check this out. This actually looks so crazy. Bro, the fitment literally is perfect.
Sauce.
Like, look at this. It looks so good, bro. Bro, it's so unique. I absolutely love it. Like, dude, so aggressive. Let's go ahead, screw in the rest of it because right now it's just being held on by 3M tape. So yeah, let's go ahead and screw in the rest. Alrighty guys, dude, I'm like so hyped for this. I don't know, dude, on camera it looks really good, in person it looks even better. I'm so happy with how this fitment is. The fitment is literally perfect. When you guys are putting on the lip, underneath normally you're gonna have like under tray or whatever, like a tray, and it's gonna connect right into that. However, for me, I don't have that on here, so we had to use some self-tapping on the sides. Then we figured out a way to bolt in the center part of the lip with the bumper and it fit like perfectly, but really you're supposed to have the under tray connected and I just don't have it. But otherwise it would literally fit perfect and you wouldn't have to really do any modifications. So that's really nice. Everything's literally perfect. So for the price, guys, this is honestly the best way to go. Go check out Suvneer down below. I will have a link to this product in the description, so definitely go check that out if you guys are interested. But yeah guys, let's go ahead, jump to the next part of the video. So that is the end of the video. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this quick little video. I will leave the link down below to this lip for you guys. Definitely go check it out. Super happy with the fitment. Super happy with how it turned out. It looks absolutely amazing on the car with the brand new paint and everything. For V2 of this build, it's gonna be super hype. Definitely go check me out on Instagram. Definitely go check out Nick on Instagram. I'll leave his channel down below as well. That being said, guys, remember, stay safe, stay happy, and stay in that project car. I will catch you guys later.